Not that cold today. I like to come out every day and get some fresh air and look at all the different prints to see what's been wandering around in my yard at night. I see a lot of deer prints, not much else, a couple of cats, but that's about it. The other day I did see some coyote prints, but it's just love getting out and getting some fresh air every day. I'm going to take you in and show you what I have been up to and what I do in the winter to get some fresh greens. It's nothing better than coming in out of the cold into a warm, hot fire. I love burning wood in the wood stove. It just seems like that heat just penetrates through you. I think someone else over there kind of like it too. This is how I get some of my greens in the winter. I do sprouts, and these are broccoli sprouts. They've done quite well. And over here I have started some lettuce sprouts. These have just been sitting for about 24 hours and they look like they are about ready to start growing. Now this is what I used to do my sprouts in. A regular mason jar and a top with a screen. You can use cheesecloth or whatever, and you put about 2 tablespoons of seed in, and you you can see they're little flowers. I'm just curious to see if I'm gonna get any seeds off of it. So I still have that, looking pretty bad, but it's still there. Also, this is some celery. It tastes a little bitter to me, but I'm gonna see if I can put it outside and it'll grow. And these are potato slips left from last year. I think this one is about done because this one has been 2 years. So I'm going to have to start another one. And down here I have some cuttings that I took off of my fig. Now I don't know whether you can see, this one is green at the top. I just cut it off, put a little honey on the end, and I stuck it in the ground. And this here is another one that I did, and it's looking pretty good. So, and over in that container I have some ginger. I haven't seen it growing yet, and I stuck one of the fig stems in there. It didn't look too hot, but I'm waiting on that ginger. I hope it grows because I do love ginger. This is some sunflower seeds that I grew, and I decided to see if they would sprout. So I have a few in this jar. I have to put some more water in them, and I'm going to see what happened. Now I'm rinsing this with a little of the rainwater, and then I'm going to take this water and I'm going to pour it in this tray up there so I don't waste any water. This is a tomato plant that I just took a clipping off to see if I could keep it over the winter. I did save some seeds, but I heard that you can do this, so I wanted to give it a try. Now, one problem I did get in the grow tent is these little gnats. Everybody seemed to have these problems, but I took this here little onion. I just planted it today, and it got a root on it. But I had it sitting in this top with water in it, and look at all the gnats that it attracted. Now, I did try the sugar water, didn't get a gnat, but I've changed this quite a few times and the gnats keep coming. But now that I've planted the onion, I'm gonna have to get another one. But just something that I was surprised that happened. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. This is Lady P, and I'm out. Until next time.